Hi, I hope you're having a beautiful morning. Today I wanted to offer you a recipe for an adrenal electrolyte mocktail. Give some love to your kidneys and balance your circadian rhythm. Best enjoyed around 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to have sustained energy all day long. For a free-spirited mixer, try this recipe to cool your nerves off. 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/2 cup of grapefruit juice, 1/2 cup of mango juice, 1/2 cup of coconut water or sparkling mineral water will be fine. 1 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, just a pinch, no more than 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Another option is 1/8 tablespoon of cream of tartar because it's an excellent source of potassium. Another option is essence of orange for an explosion of flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give me your opinions and feedback in the comments section below. Talk to you soon. Bye.